2016 Chevy Cruze 1.4, codes P0300, P0261, and P0263. The 61 and 63 are injector codes, injector circuit codes. When I checked the fuses, this one was open, which is the injector control fuse. It's fuse number 9. What I did is I came and checked all my powers and grounds to the injectors. Everything was good. However, that same fuse feeds the ignition coil. One quick way to test this is to unplug everything and then plug everything back in one by one, and if whatever component opens the fuse, that tells you it's bad. In this case, this coil pack was shorted out, and as you can see, I used Duracrap because I couldn't find anything else in town. Dealership didn't have one, nobody else had one but AutoZone. So yeah, if you get those codes, check the coil pack, because that fuse feeds the coil and the injectors.